In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export a watch list in GoCharting. If you're organizing markets you follow or moving your symbols between devices, this quick walkthrough will keep everything tidy and consistent. Start by opening your browser and heading to the GoCharting website. From the homepage, look toward the top navigation and click on Products. This opens a list of tools available on the platform. Choose Charts to launch the charting terminal in your browser. Give it a moment to load. You'll land on a chart workspace with toolbars around the edges. On the right-hand side, find the vertical toolbar and click the watch list icon to open the watch list panel. This panel is where your symbols live and where you'll manage lists. At the top of the panel, open the watch list dropdown. From here, select Create New Watch List to start fresh. A small dialog will appear asking for a name. Type a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later. Something like your trading session or asset category works well. Then click Create. Your new watch list becomes active immediately, ready to hold the tickers you care about. To bring in an existing set of symbols, open the My Watch List dropdown at the top of the panel again and choose Import Tickers. You'll be prompted to add your list. Keep your entries clean and consistent. Use the same symbol format you normally see in GoCharting to avoid mismatches. After confirming, your imported tickers will populate the watch list so you can jump straight into analysis without manually adding each one. If you want a backup of your list or you plan to move it to another device or account, open the My Watch List dropdown once more and select Export Watch List. This saves a copy of your current watch list so you can store it safely or share it with your other setups. It's a simple way to preserve your work, especially before making big edits or testing new ideas. A couple of quick tips as you work. Naming your lists by strategy, time frame, or exchange makes them easier to swap between during the day. After importing, scan the list to confirm everything loaded as expected, and remove duplicates to keep things lean. And remember, the same dropdown is your hub for creating, importing, and exporting. So if you're ever unsure where to go, start there. That's it. You've created a new watch list, imported your tickers, and exported a backup all within GoCharting.